The 16th group on the periodic table is known as the oxygen group. You may have also heard this group called chalcogens. This group includes the elements of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium.
You might have expected the oxygen group to be all nonmetals and gases, like oxygen, but the oxygen group includes metalloids and nonmetals, and 4/5 of this family are solids. You can find these elements in nature in both pure and combined states.
The first element in this group, and one of the most widely known elements on the periodic table, is oxygen. Oxygen makes up 21% of the atmosphere and combines with nitrogen in the atmosphere. It is colorless, odorless, and tasteless.
Oxygen melts at negative 361.12 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at negative 297 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a nonmetal and a gas. The most widespread use of oxygen is that humans and animals breathe it. Everything living needs oxygen to live, such as spiders, owls, and humans.
Cats need oxygen too. And so do leopard geckos, along with baby turtles. Water has oxygen, that's why fish need it.
Trees convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, so we need trees to live.
Now, if you're still having trouble breathing, we suggest you seek help elsewhere,
Like a hospital.
or else you'll end up like this. The second element in the oxygen group is sulfur. This yellow solid nonmetal is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Its melting point is 239.38 degrees Fahrenheit, and it boils at a temperature of 832.28 degrees Fahrenheit. It sometimes combines with hydrogen to make hydrogen disulfide.
It is used in the manufacture of gunpowder, matches, and fireworks, vulcanizing rubber, and to shave hair certain ways in beauty salons. However, we don't recommend adding it to your shampoo.
This element is the third one in the oxygen group. This solid metalloid is similar to sulfur but silvery white. It's used to make drums, copiers, and laser printers. It, like sulfur, can combine with hydrogen to make hydrogen cyanide gas.
But keep in mind that it is toxic. It's uncommon if you find it in element form, and the average price in 2000 was $3.82 a pound. You can find it in a soil and plant tissue too.
Yeah. Tellurium is a rare, brittle, solid metalloid found in the oxygen group. It is sometimes alloyed with copper, stainless steel, and lead. You can find it as a coloring agent in ceramics, in solar panels, and in blasting caps for explosives.
It can also be used to vulcanize rubber, like sulfur. The melting point is 841.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and the boiling point is super hot. It's 1,813.64 degrees Fahrenheit, so please, if you ever get the urge to boil tellurium, don't.
It's dangerous. Polonium is the fifth and last element found in the oxygen group. Polonium was discovered by the famous Marie Curie and named for Poland. It's rare and very expensive. Although I don't know how much a microcurie is, a polonium one is $3,200. It's a solid.
You can find it in uranium, but watch out, it's radioactive. It is combined with beryllium to provide an atom source, and it is used on brushes for taking off dirt off of photographic films. It melts at 482.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and it boils at 1,763.6 degrees
So
Fahrenheit.
that's all we have to say about the oxygen group. We hope you like our video, and we bet Mrs. Fricke hope you learned something too.
Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.
Bye!
There you go.
Huh? I don't have the
Read mine.
Okay. The second element on the periodic table is sulfur. This yellow solid nonmetal is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Its melting point is 239.38 degrees Fahrenheit.
It is used in the manufacturing of gunpowder, matches, Try the other side. I don't think it lights.
You have to do it hard.
Yeah, I am. I'll try that way.
Look at me.
Okay, that's good. So now it happens.